Hello, this is Dante with Clark Kenny Plumbing. I am at address 1410 Northeast 72nd Street in Vancouver, Washington. I have gained access through Unit 4. There's a clean out around back, a 3-inch ABS clean out, and I have pushed out approximately 140 feet to the city main, and I will now begin to pull back and start my inspection. Here we are in what appears to be 4-inch PVC pipe. And there's a minimal amount of grease here with multiple parties on this line, not concerning at the time. Here is one of the additional parties tying into this main line here. There's a little bit more buildup of grease here, as you can see. Still not a very concerning amount. Another tie-in on the right-hand side of the screen here, or the left-hand, sorry. You can see a fairly major root intrusion here at approximately 12 feet. You can see another tie-in here coming in the left-hand side of the pipe. And we transition to what appears to be 4-inch ABS as we come to our clean out. And here we are at our exterior clean out, which completes my sewer inspection.